My business is Tree Naturals. We handcraft natural hair products all by hand using the finest fair trade butters, plant oils, herbs, things of that nature for moisture retention. That's our number one goal, is to provide moisture to natural curly hair. I started the business in 2011 simply out of frustration with my own hair. During that time, there weren't really a lot of natural hair products readily available for me to use. I went natural in 2009. There really weren't any products for me, and the products that I did use, they did not give me the results that I was looking for. So since I'm more of a problem solver, I decided I wanted to try to make something for myself, and that led me into my kitchen and just started whipping up what I had. The main thing that I love about what I do is changing people's lives. I remember having an event about a year ago in Virginia Beach, and this customer of mine, she actually drove down 2.5 hours just to meet me and share her story. And the lady started crying, and everyone in the whole room basically had tears in their eyes, telling me, like, Tree, you actually gave me my hair back. And to hear stories like that consistently from women all over the United States, that keeps me going every single day. Definitely some challenges for me. When I started the business was 2011. That was the most difficult year for me. During that time, I was working full-time. I had a part-time job. I was enrolled in graduate school, getting my master's degree, and I had the bright idea to start my own business. So I just was all over the place. I had zero time for myself. So that was definitely very challenging. But constant prayer, a good support system, and believing in myself kept me just going every single day. And today, I still work full-time. I'm not sure if a lot of people know that about me, but I still work a full-time job, and I run the business full-time as well. So hopefully by the time this airs, I'm out of there.
That's good.
I'm gonna say what my support system tells me, that you can do it. You have to believe in yourself. That's where the faith comes in. You know, you can't worry, you can't stress. You have to either have faith or you're gonna worry. Which one are you gonna choose? And I'm choosing to have faith. So I encourage everyone to just have faith in yourself. You know, if you know in advance this is what you want to do, maybe start saving your money, doing little things like that can help. But in the meantime, just you have to have that faith in yourself. You know, if you're that passionate about something, then, you know, if you can't sleep at night, like for me, I'm up in the middle of the night, 2 or 3 in the morning, thinking about ingredients. So I know this is my calling. So it's time, you know, just having faith in yourself. To the folks that I've met, who I've inspired, I would like to just tell them thank you. I have so much gratitude that you trusted me to care for your curls. You know, that means a lot to me on a deeper level. Like I said, having folks come to me all the time, that's amazing, but the feeling that I get is genuine. Like, I really, really, truly appreciate it. And I just want to say thank you to them. I think my customer base is a savvy group of women, so they're looking for those products that have the best ingredients ever, right? And that's what I do. I spent hours sourcing to make sure that we get the finest ingredients that we could. I heard a story about how in Africa, when the shea butter is harvested, that the workers over there are usually female, right? And they weren't paid fair wages. And that's one of the things that I do not stand for that. I wanted to find a company that would make sure that these women are paid fair wages for their work. So I sourced our ingredients in ways to make sure that if they're over there doing back-breaking work in the summer and the heat, you know, that they're getting paid fairly for that. So I think that they appreciate that from me, and that they trust that they're going to get a quality product when shopping with Tree Naturals. each order that comes through. I ship them out myself, and I'm so thankful for each order that comes through and each person that orders from me. I feel like they're part of the True Naturals family. So I send them a quick little thank you, like, thanks Amy for your order, or thanks for your order. I appreciate you. So my name is Tree. I'm the owner of True Naturals, and I handcraft natural hair products for all hair types.